A very good afternoon to all of you.
Good afternoon,
Good
sir.
afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Fine. Amal Roshan, are you fine?
Yes, sir.
Is there any corona there in Kodungalur? Are you safe? Any
Yes, sir, I
problem?
am safe.
Eh? Are you safe?
Yes, sir, I am safe.
Very good, very good. Let all be safe from the clutches of corona, isn't it? Take care of yourself. Rosan, are you comfortable? Yes. Okay, 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 okay. Anish, oh, Anish, rain is there?
No, sir.
No, you come to Mala, then Perumbavoor will get rain, isn't it? When you leave the place, that land will get rain. You come. Mala is suitable to you. Okay, isn't it? Okay. Nestle, where are Nestle, Sanjana? Okay, okay, okay. I am looking at all the figures where I can. Sorry, okay. I want to see the beauty of the photos. Okay. Kevin, good afternoon. Hello, Kevin. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, very good, very good. So, where I think we were in page number 26. Am I right? The middle. Albert was miserable that day, not because of the punishment he received. Krishna Gandhi,
Sir, I think it's page 20.
all right. Where are we now? Where were we?
So you're in page
27 page.
27.
Page number
So we
27,
finished,
Amal
sir.
Roshan. 27. Okay, okay, okay. That geology book, isn't it? Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. So, Albert was tempted to point out that most of the time it was she who made them howl. But he decided it was better to say nothing. I must get away from here. Is it? Is it? Amal Roshan?
The whole trouble from
Whole trouble. Okay. Whole trouble. Okay. So I must get away from here. He told Yuri after 6 months alone in Munich. It is absurd. Is it over? So it is absurd that since the two classes are separate, there may be the position difference. So it is absurd that I should go on like this. I should go on. Go on means continue. Go on is a phrasal verb. It means continue. That means there is no choice. My father will not permit me to take from this college. So I have to continue till I complete my diploma. In the end, it will, he is thinking, sorry, I do not want to study here, but my father will not permit me to get away from here. Shibu, I do not want to study here. Shibu's father told, I will take admission somewhere else. So Shibu told, no, I will not be taken from here. 2 years more, I will be here, isn't it? Shibu?
Yes, sir.
Josie sir has tied his legs. And after 2 years, I will cut the rope. Then Shibu will go. Here, here, Albert says, I do not want to be here in this school. But my father says, you should be there. I will not take you out. In the end, and if it goes like this, if it is continued like this, then what will happen? Says, if it goes like this, at the end, Sayujya, at the end it will be Sayujyam. Clear? At the end, it will be Sayujyam. What is the meaning of Sayujya? Do you know?
Happiness.
Happiness. Happiness. Are you happy? If you are not happy, change your name. Otherwise, become happy. Clear now? Understood? If your name is Ayuja, you must be happy. Otherwise, you should change your name. Do you want to change your name? Now all the certificates will be changed.
No, sir.
No. She doesn't want to change her name, so she is happy. Okay. So at the end, what will happen here? You see, it will turn out I have been wasting my father's money because father deposited the money in lodging and school fees in order to teach me. And I am not interested. So it will be a great waste. Father's money will be a waste. And everybody's time also will be a waste. Sanjana, do you understand this meaning? If we don't study properly, if we don't get a proper result from here, what will happen? Papa has deposited some amount of money for your education. That money will be, Sanjana,
Waste.
that will be waste. And our 2 years also will be waste. He says, Albert says. And then Yuri asks, so it will be better for all if I stop now. So I will not be a problem to anybody else. It is better I may stop this work now itself. I should not go to the school. So Papa's pocket will be safe. Our time will be safe. Everybody will be happy. You see? And so Yuri asked, okay, we will take the TC. Then what will you do? What will you do? Alan Shibu, there is no football team. There is no football coaching. It is Corona. So after getting the TC, what will you do? You will have to sit at home. Alicia, you will have to sit at home. No club will take you. Anish is, Alan is planning to go to Euro. He wants to play with Ronaldo, isn't it? Okay. I will give you a recommend letter. Okay. Ronaldo is my friend. If I telephone to him, he will call you. Okay. So here Yuri asks, oh my dear Albert, suppose just imagine I get a TC for you. What will you do? If you are out of the school, what will you do? I don't know. Your answer, isn't it? I don't know. Last year I asked to some people, what will you do after 10th? I don't know, sir. You say. So he says, I don't know, Sanam. I don't know. If I go to Milan, suppose if I go to Milan, Milan is in Italy. Amal Roshan, Milan is in Italy. So if I go to Milan, I am afraid my father will send me back. Father has prepared a large, long iron rod there. If I reach Milan, returning from, just a minute. Okay. So I am afraid my papa will take that steel rod, iron rod, and he will beat me. Sanam, he will beat me and say, show the money to Mala, run. One day Sanam told his mother, Mama, I don't want to be, I want to go home. Mama told, if you reach Chuvandamanna, I will take the iron rod from there and I will give you something nice at your back. You will have to run from there to Mala. Einstein says, if I, after getting the TC, I will be out of the school. And if I go to Milan, to my house, my father will return me from there. Unless his eyes gleamed with a sudden idea. When he was talking, he got an idea, a flash of thought, a sudden flash. Something, he got an idea. There are some people when they want to do some mischievous activities. Yeah, Abhirame, when we want to do some mischievous activities, and not you, man. I just called you. Oh, don't think that you have done a mischievous activity. You are a very nice fellow. You are a very good friend of mine. Okay. Okay. So, what I mean is that when we are making Aparna, when we are making some crooked minds, curved minds, curved one, not straight away. So a flash of thought will come. Suppose if you want to do a good activity, Abhilash, if we want to do a good activity, we will think more. Then only you will get a decision. If you want to do a mischievous activity, idea will come fast. How can I cheat my friend? You will get an idea very fast. How can I help my friend? Idea will be came in very slow. Oh, if I help in such a way, I will be losing 2,000 rupees. Oh, that is too much. That is too much. How can I take 2,000 rupees from Kevin's pocket? Very easily, I will get the idea. Clear now. So here is this. He got an idea, a flash of thought. Yuri. Then he asks, Yuri, do you know any friendly doctors? Do you know any doctor? Yuri says, I know a lot of medical students. I know many MBBS students, not doctors, studying there. They are studying. And some of them are friendly. I am very friendly to them, medical students. Doctor, I don't have. Doctor, I don't have. I never had enough money to go to one. You see, to become friendly with medical students, it is easy, of same age. After the studies, they will be doctors. So doctors will be making friendship with their own level of people, isn't it? Doctors. So I am a poor student. I'm a poor man. So how can I make friendship with the doctors? They are of higher level. I am poor. So Yuri says, I can make a friendship with the students, but I don't have much friendship with doctors. Now, our Albert, you see, Albert's curved intellect, curved buddhi, curved intelligence works crooked. Here now, you see, suppose Vishnu, Are you sleeping? You are very smart with specs. Let me see once again. Abhijit, Arame, where are you? Aram,
Sir, I'm here.
open it, man. Let people see you. Open it and sit. Very nice shirt you wear. Very attractive one. Very good color. I like it.
Thank you, sir.
Keep it up. BB, don't switch off. Don't switch off.
Okay, sir.
And unknowingly, he switched off. Unknowingly, it is by mistake. Okay. Vishnu? Yeah, he has gone to kitchen. Okay. So, suppose, said Albert, that I had a nervous breakdown. Rahul, suppose I had a nervous breakdown, mental. Suppose, in your language, I'm mental. Suppose a doctor would say, it is bad for me to go to school and I need to get right away from it. You see, very good idea, isn't it? Suppose I am mental. I have nervous breakdown. I am mental. And I am taken to a doctor, an MBBS doctor. 35% mark pass. 35% mark, very good mark, isn't it? 35%, just to pass. And he has no patience also. I am the first patient. Suppose I am a mental patient. Rosan, I am a mental patient. And that doctor says, you are a mental patient. So you should take rest. You should be in chains. You should not be sent to school. Then my idea is all right, isn't it? Sanam? Then my idea is successful, isn't it? This is the flash of light our Albert, our 20th century great scientist developed in order to get out of the school. Vinay, do you want to follow him in this matter? Anyone wants to follow him? I think Sanjana wants to. Do you want? No. You see, suppose I am mental and suppose I meet a doctor and that doctor says that you are mental and you need rest. You cannot be sent to school for a long time. Then my idea is okay. Then I need not go to school, isn't it? This is the flash of thought that came to his mind. Let us see. I can't imagine a doctor saying that. Yuri said, what do you think? Simply a doctor will say, you are mad? What do you think about madness? If a doctor says it is headache, loose motion, or diarrhea, dysentery, it's okay. But can a doctor simply say that you are mental? You have nervous breakdown? I don't think a doctor would say like that. Kevin, am I right? Okay. Let us. I must try. That underline. I must try. This is a word for you. You must try. Not to cheat others, but to score marks, Avarna. I should try. I must try. Try again. In your progress report, it might be seen there. First unit test, try. Second unit test, try again. Second unit test, try once more. Then comes try for a better result. Einstein says, suppose the doctor may not give me the certificate. Still, let me try. I will try. I must try to find a doctor who specializes in nerves. I want to see a neurologist. Neurologist is a doctor who specializes in nerve. There are plenty of them because the city is filled with the mental patients. And there are a number of neurologists there. Yuri told him. He hesitated for a moment and then added. He stopped for a moment. He paused, hesitated here means he stopped for a moment and then said, rather reluctantly, not with confidence, I will ask some of my students, some of the students, if they know one, if you like. If you like, if you agree, let me ask my MBBS friends, MBBS students, whether they knew a doctor or not. Will you? Will you ask? Energy has come back. Will you ask? Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. You see, Albert's eyes were shining. He was very happy. Wait a moment. I haven't found one yet. But you will. Albert says, don't worry. If you try, you will find. Nestle, Vishnu, Vishnu, Avi. Please switch on, switch on. Vishnu, switch on. Okay. You see, if you switch off the video, what happens? You may hear the sound, but your attention will be lost. Your attention will be lost. Not only this class, all the classes. Because if you are with the video, your eyes will be concentrating on the class. Otherwise, you will lose the contact. That is why we insist that you should keep on the video on. Okay, so, and if I do, I don't know, he will be willing to help you. Suppose I may find out a neurologist, but I don't know whether he will agree with your idea. He will. He will. Otherwise, I will make him to will. Clear now? Albert says, no problem. That is my work. Your work is to find out a neurologist. To make him to do the work, that is my work. He will do it. I'm going to have a real nervous breakdown. From today onwards, I am going to practice like a mental patient. So I will present myself very clearly in front of him, a clear mental patient. And it will make the route easy for him. And he will not have any doubt. He laughed merrily. I have never seen you looking less nervous. Till now, so many problems were there, but still now, I haven't seen you nervous. A day or two at school will soon put that right. If I go to school 1 or 2 days, the school will make me mad. That is enough. That is enough. You see, Albert Einstein's thoughts about his school days. Pranav, can you follow me? Okay. So, Albert says, if I am not mental, how can you make you mental? Easy method. Go to the school for 2 days. Automatically, you will become mental. There are many people becomes mental. I have seen, isn't it? Like that. Parents will call me and, sir, what is to be done? Shibu is not studying properly. He is watching the TV, watching the mobile and all these things. So I told, keep him in the hostel. Keep him in the hostel. Shibu doesn't want to come to the hostel. He is very happy at the hostel, but just suppose, Albert Einstein, suppose he is not happy at the, because if he comes to the hostel, he will not be able to use the mobile. I think so, isn't it? Can you use the mobile at the hostel? Shibu? Are you using that? Oh, we cannot, you don't know, he has doubts. That means he was using, isn't it? Okay, so he cannot use the mobile for watching games and all these things. So he was unwilling. But mummy and papa, when they came to Kerala, they tied his legs and hands and they brought him to the hostel and they went. From that day onwards, every day, Shibu feels stomach ache one day, another day, severe headache, third day, vomiting sensation, nausea, fourth day, sir, chest pain, I can't breathe, I can't. Your sister knows all these techniques, isn't it? All the methods he will use. There was a boy here, so he doesn't want to be in the hostel. So here you see Albert Einstein says, if I want to become a mental patient, the best method, I should go to the school, stay there 2 days. Within 2 days, I will become a mental patient. You see what all things Albert Einstein is teaching us. That is why I told in the beginning, don't accept all the things what you are going to learn here. Accept only what is good for you. Okay, so you see here, certainly he had lost his high spirits when Yuri saw him next day. When Yuri met him next day, he was acting like a mental patient. I can't stand it any longer, he said. I really shall have a nervous breakdown that will satisfy any doctor. He said, I am perfectly all right. Perfect okay. Isn't it? Perfect okay, isn't it? Sanam, isn't it? Sanam knows, isn't it? Perfect okay. Akshay. So he says, Anish, yes, that one. Okay. So here he says, Albert says, I am perfect okay. And every doctor will see me as a mental patient and they will give me the certificate. Kevin, are you perfect okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, he is okay. He is okay. You are okay. I am okay. If you are not okay, I am not okay. 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 So any doctor may give me a certificate. Keep it up. Very good. Sabash. Keep it up. Then I have found a doctor for you. So your rehearsal is perfect. And I have found a doctor for you. You have that you can write like this. Have you? Have you? Have you found a doctor for me? Did you get? Albert's face lit up. Lit up. Oh, good. When can I see him? When can I meet him? I have an appointment for you for tomorrow evening. Yuri said, here is the address. Yuri gave the address of the doctor and the time of appointment is tomorrow evening. He handed Albert a piece of paper. Who is that? Dr. Ernest Weil. Underline. The name of the psychiatrist is Dr. Ernest Weil. Is he a specialist in nervous troubles? So Albert asked, is he a neurologist? Not exactly. Not exactly neurologist, but somewhat he is a doctor. You see, what is the qualification? As a matter of fact, if I say he only just qualified as a doctor with a 35% mark. He is just qualified, Abhijit. Aram. He is just qualified as a doctor with 35%. Last week, he got the certificate last week. He completed his examination last week. And you may be the first patient. You may be the first patient. You knew him as a student then. That means when he was the MBBS student, you were knowing him. I have known Ernest for years. I know him. Yuri hesitated for a few moments. By the by, I told he is just passed out. Don't think that he is a fool. He is intelligent. Don't think he is a fool. What do you mean? Don't try to pull the wool over his eyes. Don't try to cheat in front of you. Don't create troubles in front of him. Straight away go and tell the matter. Clear now? It's a usage. Don't try to pull the wool over the eyes. You see, if you take a thread and pull over the eyes, what will happen? It will create a problem. So don't become a problem in front of the doctor. Straight away go, tell your matter, hear what he says, come back. That is the meaning. He said, be frank with him. You see, the meaning is explained. Be frank with him, but don't pretend you have got what you haven't. Don't pretend to be a mental patient. Clear now, Krishna? Clear?
Yes, sir.
You go to him. Don't think that he is a fool, Pavitra. Don't think that he is a fool. He got only 35% mark in MBBS. So he is, no, don't think that he is very intelligent. There are people who get 40% marks in class 10, but they are very intelligent, Anish, isn't it? They are very intelligent. They say, sir, mark is not a problem. I can think many things. I can think how to cheat others. I can think how to help others. I can think how to slap others. Rahul, isn't it? Here he says, don't try to cheat him. Be frank in front of him. And don't go and tell about a disease which you do not have. Then for what purpose he is going to the doctor? Clear now? Clear now? Albert Einstein is in search of a doctor to present himself as a mental patient. And he wanted to get a certificate as a mental patient. And here Yuri says, you should not go and pretend to be a mental patient. What does it mean? What does it mean? Don't pretend you have got what you haven't. You haven't been a mental patient. And don't pretend, don't present yourself in front of the doctor as a mental patient. Not that you would deceive anyone. You're afraid. I think you will not cheat anybody. You are the world's worst liar. Liar is worst. You are the worst liar. Albert spent the next day wondering what to tell the doctor. He was planning. When the time arrived in the evening for his appointment, he had worried over it. You see, he was thinking, what should I say? What should I say? This thinking made him mental. Clear? He was not mental. He was not acting like mental. He was thinking, what should I say? How should I present myself in front of the doctor? He was thinking plans over plans, plans after plans. This created his mind a mental, worried. So much that he really quite nervous. I don't really know how to describe my trouble. I do not know how shall I tell my trouble, Dr. Vale. So he met Dr. Vale. I don't know what to say, but I have a problem. He is presenting himself. Dr. Vale, I have a problem. I don't know what happens. Here, all these sides pain, this side pain, this side pain, this side pain. I don't know where I feel pain. Some uneasiness is going on. I cannot point out. In this way, Albert says, Doctor, I don't know what is happening in my mind. I am restless. I am restless. I don't know how to describe my problem. The trouble means my problem. So, doctor said, don't worry, don't worry, don't worry, don't worry, don't try. Said the young doctor with a friendly smile. Ure has already given me a history of the case. So before the coming of Albert, Urey had told a history about Albert Einstein and said, Albert is coming like a mental patient and he needs a certificate, everything it is told. So Albert is coming like a mental patient. So doctor says, no problem, no problem, no problem. You are not a madman. You are not a mental patient. Mental patient will not accept that they are mental patient, isn't it? If you go to a mental hospital, you are a good gentleman. If you go there, all the prandans, isn't it? All the mad people will say, he is a madman. He is a madman. We are gentle. He is a madman. All the mad, otherwise you go to mad hospital and see, check. The mad people will never accept that they are mad people. They will say others are mental. So doctor knew it. So doctor said, no problem, no problem. You are mental, I know, but no problem. Cool down, cool down. Then what happens? That we will see tomorrow. The discussion, the conversation between the doctor and Albert, we will see in the next class. Okay. Thank you.